Hello everyone. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Just a quick one. Quick metal run after work. Trampoline, some chairs, muffler, more trampoline parts. In the recycling bin there's more muffler parts and some other miscellaneous scrap metal, some rotors. And then this, a belt-driven grinder. Says Dayfan. Dayfan Electric Company, Dayton, Ohio. Don't know. It says 1 horsepower, or I think it's 1 pH, so that's not horsepower. But you can see there, it does say made in USA. Back when they used to make quality stuff. But I just figured I'd share this. There's no maker's marks on the grinder part. Still a decent grinding wheel. I might salvage it, the wheel off of it, and or maybe donate it to someone who wants it. Otherwise, it's destined for the scrapyard. The motor's gonna get cannibalized for the copper. The wheel I'll keep for my grinder. The rest of this I'll just end up scrapping. Short steel, and then tin and electric motor. Maybe I'll harvest it for the copper. I don't know. It's a shame I just can't just give this to anybody who wants it up this way. Not many people up here want these. It's a sad thing to see go, but I don't have space to hold on to tools like this. And then yeah, there's a whole bunch of other scrap metal to get into the trailer to take to the scrapyard. A kayak or something else, roof rack up there. More trampoline parts. There's some aluminum in there. A cherry bomb muffler. A whole bunch of miscellaneous things. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe. I will try to post more when I get a chance. Thank you.